Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make strawberry mousse dessert. Whip 1 cup cold heavy cream until soft peaks form, then fold in 1 cup pureed strawberries and 2 tablespoons powdered sugar gently. Chill mixtures for at least 2 hours to set, then pipe or spoon into serving glasses. Garnish with fresh strawberry slices and mint for color. Serve chilled and enjoy a light, fluffy, refreshing dessert that's quick and elegant. Macerate strawberries by tossing sliced berries with 2 tablespoons sugar and a squeeze of lemon to draw out juices and intensify flavor. Meanwhile, bloom 1 teaspoon powdered gelatin in 2 tablespoons cold water if you want extra stability, then warm until dissolved and cool slightly. Combine puree, dissolved gelatin, and folded whipped cream gently to keep air. Spoon into molds, chill until set, and serve with crisp cookies or biscotti. For a lighter mousse, swap half the cream for whipped aquafaba from 1 can of chickpeas, whipped to soft peaks, then fold in strawberry puree. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla or 1 tablespoon liqueur like strawberry or orange for depth without overpowering. If using fresh berries, reserve a few for garnish and fold small chunks into half the mousse for texture. Keep mousse refrigerated and consume within 48 hours for best freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.